In order to meditate, there are 4 foundations that you need to pay attention to. The first is your environments. When you're establishing your practice, it's good to have a place where you'll be undisturbed. And that means shutting off your phone and putting it in a different place from where you're sitting to meditate, or putting it in airplane mode if you want to use it as a timer for your meditation. But the first foundation for meditation is the space in which you meditate. Ideally, you can create a sacred space in your home. Maybe you have a room where Babaji is in Prakash. Maybe you have a room where you can sit quietly alone and you have inspiring things in that room, or an altar to sit in front of. But foundation number 1, set your environment so that you won't be disturbed. The second foundation in meditation is asana. Asana means seat, place. It means the place where you connect yourself to the earth. You don't need to be in a cave or on top of a mountain. You don't need to be out in nature necessarily, but you do need to sit in a certain way, and that is with your spine straight. So asana consists of firmly seating on your bones in your bottom so that you're grounded and set straight on the earth. Or if you're unable to sit on the floor, sitting in a chair with your feet on the ground and your spine straight. Now, how do you straighten your spine without straining? Close your eyes. Pull your shoulders back slightly and raise your chest up a little bit. With your eyes closed, pull your chin in about 1/2 inch so that you feel the bones in the back of your neck becoming straight. Now, when you sit in your asana like this, feel that your shoulders are completely relaxed. Let the tension go out of your shoulders. And feel that your spine is supporting you and everything is hanging from your shoulder blades like a suit on a clothes hanger in your closet. It's that relaxed. There should be no straining. Let your spine assume its natural straight position. If you're hunched over like this or bent, you can't meditate because the energy won't move properly. The third foundation for meditation is breath. Whether you're chanting out loud, which is called doing japa, or whether you're meditating silently, doing japa internally without creating a sound, you need to breathe properly, regardless of whether you're chanting silently or out loud. So let's just tune in and feel our breath for a minute. And once again, I'm going to ask you to close your eyes. And exhale all your breath out. And now with your mouth closed, inhale through your nose. And fill your lungs completely. Hold the breath for a moment. And now let the breath go out. And feel that you're pushing out every last bit of breath. It's important to inhale with your belly relaxed. When you inhale, your belly should extend outwards, not pull in. So first, you fill the bottom lobes of your lungs with air. Your belly goes out. You expand your rib cage and fill the middle of your lungs. And then the very last bit of breath, feel it go all the way up into the top of your lungs and fill the upper lobes of your lungs. Pull that last little bit of breath in and then begin the exhale. Exhale from the top of your lungs and then the middle of your lungs. And then pull your belly in and push that last bit of air out from the bottom of your lungs until you have no breath held in. Now let's just do this together for a few seconds. Exhale your breath out. And begin to inhale. Expand your belly. Fill the middle of your lungs. Fill the top of your lungs. Expand your rib cage, shoulders slightly back. Inhale all the way. And immediately begin exhaling slowly. Empty the top of your lungs, the middle of your lungs, and push that last bit of air out by pulling your navel point in. This is called long, deep breath. And just doing this for a few minutes to expand your lungs, to feel your breath, to set yourself. That awareness of the breath as it comes in and as it goes out, of how you're breathing, of the fact that you're breathing, of feeling your breath. That's foundation number 3. Foundation number 4 is concentration. Now I know people say I can't concentrate, my mind runs around all over the place and I keep having thoughts and I can't focus easily on one thing, I can't hold my focus. Well, you know, last slok of Japji Sahib, right? Jini naam diyange mashaktakal nanak te makujale keti chuti nal. That smile that comes from within, that glow, that radiance that comes from within, comes through meditation, comes through that dhyan. Dhyana is the process of letting yourself become absorbed into the object of your focus. So let's say your meditation is on your breath, because we've already done long, deep breathing. So just close your eyes and do long, deep breathing again. Fill the bottom of your lungs, fill the middle of your lungs, fill the top of your lungs. And now keep your eyes closed and really feel your breath as you exhale. Just feel the breath go out until it's all out. And now feel the breath come in. And with your eyes closed, pay attention. Feel the energy that comes in with your breath, the lightness. As you exhale, consciously exhale out any heaviness, negativity, depression. Just let it flow out with your breath. And let your focus be drawn into the rhythm of your breath. Dhyan, or focus, is like when you play with magnets. Have you ever played with those little metal magnets, And when you bring them towards each other, you start to feel the pull, right? You can feel them tugging at each other, even when they're not near each other. And then as they get closer, the pull gets stronger and stronger until finally they just want to snap together. And then the force is contained in the magnets. Dhyan is like that. It starts with a weak pulling. And then as you stay with it, the pull gets stronger and stronger and pulls you, absorbs you deeper into the meditation. Now, when you meditate with mantra, whether it's a seed mantra like Satnam, or whether it's the Guru mantra, Vaheguru, or whether it's Har Har, or any mantra that you're using for meditation, the sound of the mantra, the rhythm of the mantra, the tal, the beat, catches you, and you get drawn into that rhythm. Now, it's not to say that you won't have thoughts. You will have thoughts. But if you let those thoughts catch you and you follow the thought, then you get caught in that train of thought, and you're riding on the train that thought is driving. In meditation, the point is you still have thoughts, but you don't get on the train. You watch the train go by and you say, okay, that was the thought. And then you come back to the mantra. You come back to the breath. You let yourself go into the rhythm of it. And another thought will come, and you'll watch that thought come, and you'll watch that thought go. but you won't get on the train.